Hi everyone. I'm Achal Sahu and I have Yachi here with me. Our project is virtual motion capture. So the current problems with VR are that it makes many people simulation sick, which makes them dizzy or they experience extreme discomfort due to 3D effects. It also causes some accessibility problems since they need to buy a VR headset for it, and it is not really necessary. So our aim was to make it more accessible, and we thought that there is a lot of potential of hand tracking and VR, since it eliminates the necessity of buying handheld controllers, and it also makes it more natural to interact with VR. We develop a prototype web framework that captures hand gestures seamlessly and makes accessible VR experiences. And we use it in a new VR game, Draw the Joker. So this is the pipeline of our project. The video gets input from the webcam, and it uses MediaPipe for virtual motion capture framework. It detects some events, actions, and states, and feeds it to the game logic, which then updates the 3D scene. These three are the gestures we are detecting in this game: pointing finger, thumbs up, and right or left movement.
Okay, so here's our gesture recognition solution. We have integrated the MediaPipe gesture recognition, which basically consists of two-step neural network pipeline with an embedding model and a classification model. So here is what the output of the recognizer look like. It includes a gesture prediction, which has a category name and a score of confidence level. And it also includes the landmarks of fingers and tell you what the position of hand is. Our main challenges of this project is that first, the language compatibility. It is hard to adapt the hand gesture recognition framework from the native language Python to a web VR UI. This presents a non-native environment challenge. And the second challenge that we have with our project is to make the hand movement smooth. Because the model output are highly sensitive, and even if you think that you are not moving your hand, it might have detect some movement. And the third challenge is to integrate it with the web framework. Integrating the hand gesture recognition system with the VR UI is a lot of work. And here are the solutions that we have brought in this framework. So it is built upon JavaScript and with the front end using the Vue.js, and we also adapt the A-frame to build a VR experience. And our hand gesture recognition uses a solution from MediaPipe, and we also use Firebase for multi-user data exchange. And here's the our strategies to solve the smoothness of hand movements. We have tried to set a threshold of confidence level for detecting the hand gestures. We have also set a threshold of the movement detection so that it can have less false positive detections. And with that, we still notice that there are what if the user is moving their hand slowly, but over like a relatively long distance? So we also adopt a cumulative movement threshold, and we also want to send one signal instead of many to when there's a repeating signals, since the inference is done frame by frame. Okay, so now I'm going to share some demo of our project. The first one I'm going to share with is the interface. Let's take a look. Yeah, so now you are on the blank website. It's a blank application, and in the console you can actually see when it integrates the models. So if I'm moving my hand left, it's going to print the message on the console, and on the right, it's also able to detect that, and it can also detect gestures. And next, we are going to look at the game that we built. So it supports both the laptop and the phone, and it's also encourage you to try both ends at the same time. So on the laptop, you can join it with any up to 5 number of players with your friends, and you can also choose which slot you want to play. And there's also customization for rough color and head size and face image. And yeah, so now let's play this game and see. Okay. Now as player 1, I have 3 cards in my hand, and I'm also playing as player 2. I see 3 cards facing back, face down to me. Yeah, I'm seeing 3 cards facing down. I can move my phone and see the surroundings. And also I can make selection using my fingers. Okay, now it's my turn. It's player 1's turn. Now I'm going to draw the card on the right side. Okay, so the Joker ends up in my hand. That's fine. And I'm playing as player 2. Okay, so now we have only 1 card for player 2. And player 1. Oh, the Joker. So player 1 lose. Yeah, so that's basically how this game works. Feel free to play with your friend and let us know how you think.
So the future work or improvements that can be made into this project for this project are enhancing the hand gesture tracking so that it's more smooth. Also, we can extend it to facial feature detection, and also we can make more user-friendly UI interaction. Thank you.